Hello student, today we are going to see what is the shape of the nuclear, what is the size of the nuclear and what is the density of the nucleus. Okay, so nucleus in atom, nucleus is constructed by proton and neutron. Okay, so nucleus shape, its nucleus shape is a sphere shape. So nuclear size, okay, the volume of the nucleus, it's a sphere shape. The volume of the nucleus V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So radius of the nucleus cube times this is a volume of the nucleus. Okay, so now I'm going to relate with the mass number. Okay, so mass number we can call it is a A is equal to, it is number of proton plus number of neutron. So that means volume is directly proportional to the mass number. Okay, so mass number, if mass number increase, the volume will be increased. Okay, as we know, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to it is a mass number. Okay, I want what is the radius of the nucleus. Okay, this equation we are going to find what is the radius of the nucleus. Radius of the nucleus is equal to r naught times of cube root of A. Okay, because here r cube is there, so I am taken as a 1 by 2. It's a cube root. Okay, the reason cube we are taken here, A will become as a cube root. What is r naught? R naught is a empirical constant, is a nuclear constant. Okay, so if you know what is a mass number, you can substitute here, you will get it what is radius of the nucleus. Okay, for radius of the nucleus you need to know what is empirical constant. Empirical constant is a equality constant. Okay, r naught value will be r naught is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 meter. Okay, r naught value will be this much. Okay, when you are substituting this, you will get it what is the radius of the nucleus. If you know a mass number, what is the mass number of the atom, okay, that means you will get what is the radius of the nucleus. Okay, now again density is equal to mass, total mass by volume, okay. So I am taken mass of proton or mass of neutron, you can take it as a one mass of the proton or neutron. Okay, because nucleus is constructed of n number of proton and n number of neutron. That means here 5 proton means 5 neutron will be there. Okay, so each small mass I am taken as a m into A will give us a total mass. The reason why I am taken m into A, so m is each sphere mass. Okay, proton and neutron will be constructed as whole mass. So total mass is mass each mass into it is a mass number divided by volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. As we know, pi r cube, radius cube is r cube. R is r naught times of A 1 by 3. That means we'll get it as a m A divided by 4 by 3 pi r is the r naught cube and A 1 by 3 into 3 get cancelled. Finally we will have the A get cancelled. That means 3 will go in a numerator. Okay, so total density of the nucleus will be, density is equal to 3m divided by 4 pi r naught cube. Okay, 3 is the volume formula we got, 4 by 3, pi is a 3.14, empirical formula r naught will be 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 and mass of the proton or neutron. Then we'll get as approximate density of the nucleus. Okay, the density of the nucleus is approximately equal to 2 into 10 power 17 kg by meter cube. Thank you.